In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Perplexity AI as a tool for language learning. This guide will help you explore various ways to interact with the AI, enhancing your practice in reading, writing, and conversation skills in your target language. To begin, open Perplexity AI's interface on your device. Once the application is loaded, you will see a text input area where you can type your questions or prompts. This is where you will ask for explanations, translations, or grammar assistance in the language you are learning. For example, if you want to understand a specific phrase, type in a request such as, explain this phrase in Spanish. Me gusta aprender idiomas. After you submit your question, the AI will generate a detailed response that clarifies the meaning and usage of the phrase, allowing you to deepen your understanding. Next, you can practice conversation by engaging the AI in a dialogue. By input a prompt like, pretend you are a Spanish tutor, ask me 5 questions and correct my answers. The AI will respond with questions, simulating a tutoring experience. Be sure to answer each question, as the AI can provide corrections and feedback on your responses, helping you improve your conversational skills. To expand your vocabulary, you can request specific words and their usage. For instance, type, give me 10 advanced French words with example sentences. The AI will present a list of words along with sentences that demonstrate their context, which can greatly enhance your vocabulary acquisition. Another useful feature is checking your writing. You can paste your text into the input area and ask, correct my Italian paragraph and explain mistakes. The AI will analyze your writing, suggest corrections, and provide explanations for any errors, which is invaluable for learning grammar and structure in a new language. Regular practice is essential for language learning. Make it a habit to use Perplexity AI daily for various activities such as reading, writing, and speaking. This consistent engagement will reinforce your skills and contribute to your language proficiency over time. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.